Hello folks, thanks for joining us today. We're going to be taking a look how to add a customer and users in the Zix AppRiver product. Go ahead and hit the sign in once you put your credentials in. We no longer send passwords out, so if this is your first time logging in, you'd want to use the forgot password system to be able to retrieve and get your first password set up. Go ahead and sign in. Zix does require that you do set up two-factor authentication within the product. You can do it two different ways. You can do it via SMS or via the authenticator. If this is a device you're going to be using quite a bit, go ahead and hit the Trust This Device and give the device a name. And go ahead and hit Continue. Once you log in, you'll be presented with your partner level account. You can go ahead and add your first customer by clicking the Add Customer button here. Enter a company name. Always select customer type of resold. It is important to leave the auto convert to trial once the trial expires. If you do not do this and it does go to the 31st day, it will purge the customer account and it will have to be added fresh. So we always recommend leaving the auto convert in place. Go ahead and select your time zone. This is important obviously for quarantine delivery times, so please make sure that you do pick the appropriate time in here. English, several other languages are available as well. Select your industry. You can just select your industry, or you can simply put other. You put your website down there. In this case, that will be assigned to your partner level account. In this case is our demonstration account. However, this would be your account. You do not need to select create a new channel group. That is unrequired. Select an address in here. Go ahead and hit the Add Customer button. Once you do that, you've set up the shell of the account, but you have not assigned any products to the account. It is important to know you need to come to the Customer Subscriptions tab. Hit the drop down here and select your email security option package. You can either select the email threat protection or the advanced email threat protection. You hit the order subscription button once you've done that. Once you've set up the customer, you can come over to Partner Management. You see all your customers listed down here. Select the one that has the email security associated with it. Click on the account. Click on the Guest Admin button to be able to log in to the customer level account. Click on the Users tab and User Management. Click Add User. You're able to put your user's email address in here. You can also do first and last name. If this person is going to be a customer level administrator, you certainly can check that option here as well. And you simply check the Add User button once you've done that. And it's obviously going to generate an automatic password and send a welcome message to that user. To bulk add users to your product, click on the Email Threat Protection tab. Click on Tools. Click on Bulk Add Users. And you can add a bulk of users here within the product. If you wish to add users via LDAP, click on Account Management, LDAP Import Plans, You could select a new plan in here, and you're able to configure connecting to your current LDAP system. You can also configure your LDAP authentication here as well, and this would allow you to bring over users via an automated system. Thank you for joining us today to see how to add a customer into the Zix Secure Cloud product, as well as how to add users to the platform. Thank you. Have a great day.